Securing your Spectrum Wi-Fi starts with a strong, unique network name, SSID, and password. As of September 2025, the easiest way to update these is through the My Spectrum app. Open the app and navigate to Services, then Internet, and finally Manage Wi-Fi. Here you'll find the option to change network name/password. Your SSID can be up to 32 characters, avoiding special symbols, and your password should be at least 12 characters long, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols for optimal security. This method is more secure with the inclusion of biometric login and automatic WPA3 adoption for supported routers. After saving your new settings, rebooting your Spectrum router finalizes the changes. This might take 2 to 5 minutes. Changing these from the default settings prevents unauthorized access. Default Wi-Fi names and passwords like Spectrum XXX are easily exploited by hackers. Changing them protects your home network and connected devices. The SSID is the name other devices see when scanning for Wi-Fi networks. Changing it adds a layer of obscurity. The password, or pre-shared key, is the encryption key that protects your data. Spectrum's routers now default to WPA3 where available, which is stronger than WPA2. This encryption protects against offline dictionary attacks. In addition to strong passwords, consider enabling MAC address filtering to allow only specific devices onto your network. Create a guest network for visitors for additional security. This separates guest devices from your main network. Experts recommend changing your credentials quarterly. For full protection, combine these practices with a VPN. Staying proactive significantly reduces breach risks.